basically I got a new monitor, and this right over here is my old monitor. This monitor is actually so trash. This monitor right over here is like, okay, it's fine, but the thing is, it's so old. I bought this like 200 million years ago. It has no HDMI ports, it has no base mount, and it's so low to the ground if I don't have this box. Like I have to like bend my neck over like this just to look at it. So yeah, it's time for an upgrade, and which is why I bought this monitor right over here. Alright, so this monitor is the LG 27GL6504. The size is like way bigger than my old one. My old one is 21 inches. This is 27 inches. And it has 144 hertz, which to be honest, I don't really care too much because I don't game that much. But you know, sometimes I be gaming, so.
Oh, come on. I needed the kill, bro. Oh, my God.
It would be nice to have 144 hertz. And what else about this is VESA mount. I can mount this on my desk, which is kind of going to be hard because I have to like change my desk in order to use a VESA mount. So let's see if that even works. And yeah, also this is used. The original price is like 250 bucks. It was on sale for like 196, but then I saw this like used for like 170, but it was from like Amazon warehouse. So I was like, maybe someone just returned it and it's perfectly in good condition. So let's see if it's in good condition. If it's not, I can just easily return it. But if it's in good condition, I mean, I got a pretty good deal. Okay, I should not be opening it from this side. Hold on. Alright, so I moved my box to the ground because I don't want like the monitor falling. I opened it from the wrong side. It literally said, do not open on this side or something like that. So this is the stand for it. I'm probably gonna VESA mount this on my desk if I'm able to. But this stand is pretty ugly, so I'm hoping I don't have to use this. This is to mount the monitor on the stand, I'm guessing. HDMI, power, cable management thing, and then the actual monitor calling right here. Oh, damn. So this is it. It looks pretty good, bro. Way bigger than my old one. Let me take this out of the box and then I'm gonna put it on the stand and see if it turns on and stuff. This is used, so I wanna see if it works or not. Alright, so I'm not sure how this works. I'm assuming just put this here. Maybe I should look at the manual, I don't know. I'm guessing you just have to screw this in. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, it's tight. The stand is actually not bad. The only bad part is, it's not bad, it's just my preference. I don't like the red at the back. I don't know why gamer monitors look so ugly. They should just make it look simple, but I don't know, who cares? Oh, that's so easy, what the heck? Damn, this is actually pretty nice. Hopefully it works. This is huge compared to my other one. What the heck? Okay, let's see if it works. Alright, so I got it plugged in at the back into the power. Now to plug in the HDMI cord and let's see if this monitor works. Is it gonna work? Oh, let's go! Whoa, this is actually so nice. Alright, so it's working, and now that I know it works, let me see if 144 hertz works on this. Oh, okay, so it's already 144 hertz. It does not feel like 144 though. This feels like 60. Wait, what? Did I do something wrong? 140. Okay, let me go to like 60 and see if I can tell the difference. It literally feels the same. What? This does not feel like 144. I'm confused. I mean, it says it is 144. Maybe once I like hop in the game, I'll be able to tell. Okay, so for now though, I know it's working. It seems like in pretty good condition, but I think I'm gonna start mounting this on my desk now. So basically, my desk is like a little weird. This is my tabletop right over here, and this is my cable management thing right over here. It's like a built-in cable management system. It's pretty nice, but the thing is you cannot mount like a VESA mount here unless you like DIY or like what is it called? Like mod it or something like that. So I have to like get a saw and cut into this. I saw this on Reddit. I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out, but I'm gonna try to cut into this so I can put a VESA mount and mount my monitor. This is how the monitor looks like on the desk. So I put this monitor on my desk and I removed my old one, which is right over there. And this looks pretty good so far. The thing is, this stand takes up a lot of space, but my desk is very narrow, which is why I got a VESA mount, so I have more desk space. I think, honestly, I don't even like the red color anyway, so I'm hoping this VESA mount works with my desk. Bro, it's literally falling. I didn't even realize. Holy. Okay, it's good now. Yeah, but as I was saying, I forgot where I left off. But next step is going to be putting the VESA mount, and hopefully it works out because I don't want to have the stand on here. Alright, so now that I cleared the desk, I'm going to get a screwdriver to disassemble it. I'm pretty sure I just took out these drawers, and then there are screws like around here that I can just take out, and hopefully that's all I gotta do. So I just disassembled the desk. It was pretty easy. I just had to unscrew a few screws and lift up the tabletop. So now to get the saw, and I'm probably gonna cut right over here so that I can put my mount, like probably somewhere here, and then mount my monitor on that mount. So since my monitor arm is not compatible with my desk, I wanted to see how it looks like. So I'm in my sister's room right now, and I assembled the monitor arm. I got this off of Amazon. It was like 30 bucks or something. It was like one of the first search results. It's by Vivo, and it looks pretty good. I think I'm satisfied with this, so I'm gonna put it on my desk and start like changing up my desk so I'm able to mount this onto it. So I cut these two right over here. I cut here and here, but I just realized I don't know how to cut the bottom part off. So I gotta figure that out. And also I'm wearing a mask because of all the dust that's flying around. But yeah, I gotta figure out how to cut this part. So I just found this in the garage. I think this will cut through the desk. It says they can cut plastic and stuff, so let's see. Okay, so I think this should be it, and now I just have to put on my tabletop, and hopefully I can mount my monitor. So I just put on my tabletop. I haven't screwed it in yet, but I'm gonna see how the mount looks like, and if it's good, I'm gonna screw it in. Okay, so I got it on. I'm not sure how I feel about this, to be honest, because this like sticking out on the side, and also this kind of seems tilted. I don't know why it looks tilted. It looks like it's tilting a little bit to the left. But other than that, I think it looks fine. I'm not sure how I feel about it right now. It's kind of like off-centered, but yeah, I don't know. Let me assemble the rest of the desk and see how it looks, but I'm kind of iffy about how this looks. So it is possible for the pole not to be sticking out, but the only problem is from the back, it like folds like this, and I want my desk completely like to the edge of the wall. So it seems like I can't do this, which sucks. Alright, so it's been 3 months since I last filmed because I didn't feel like filming after all of that. But I was able to figure out how to fix my pole that was sticking out from the side. And yeah, now I fixed it. So let me show you guys how it looks now. So what I did to fix the pole was I took out one of these arm bracket things. I don't know what they're called. It's an arm joint, I'm pretty sure. And there was 2 of them when they came with the monitor. So what I did was online I found out you could remove one of these, which allowed me to... Well, first let me show you guys. Now there's one arm joint right over here, but that allowed me to now have the pole behind it instead of sticking it out, which fixed my problems. Alright, that's pretty much it for this video. Like and subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.